This is the Iligan City Wet Park. It's not yet open to the public, but it has been officially turned over to Iligan City Mayor Celso Regencia and the local government. The 37.7 million project was funded by the Department of Budget and Management under the Green program. At first glance, it's easy to say that the project is made to provide a public park for the recreation needs of Iliganos. But there's more than meets the eye. The wet park will be helping impound rainwater and minimize the usual amount of flooding in low-lying neighboring areas.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.